Power, legacy, unity. These are the pillars Dr. George Fraser stands on. One of the most influential thought leaders on Black economic empowerment in America. Dr. Fraser does not just talk about success, he talks about collective Black power. In this video, we break down his powerful message on why Black people must be powerful in America. Stay with us.
To be Black and beautiful means nothing unless you're Black and powerful. Let's just get that straight. You cannot be Black and proud and niggas too. Okay, that white folks are planning for 3 generations and we're planning for Saturday night, right? Because our brothers and sisters is to win, not to look like we're winning. I would rather carry a plastic bag with $5,000 in it than to carry a $5,000 Louis Vuitton bag with $100 in it. You ain't winning. Louis Vuitton is winning, Nike is winning, Gucci is winning, Armani is winning. You ain't winning. We are the consumption class. They are the merchant class. They make stuff, we buy stuff. It is interesting to me that the rich stay rich by pretending to be poor, and the poor stay poor by pretending to be rich. Right? We got the shit ass backwards. That by 2053, 10 years after the majority becomes the minority, if nothing changes among African Americans, household median wealth will be zero. Zero. In effect, we will have worked our way into a second slavery. Try to operate in a market-based economy and a democratic capitalistic society without money. Let's see how that works for you.
Oh man,
Us. And ain't nobody fixing us but us. White people are not fixing Black people. It's been 400 years and we ain't fixed. You know who white people are thinking about? They're thinking about white people. They're thinking about their wives, their children, their communities, their schools, their businesses, and your pockets. That's what they're thinking about.
People of African descent, we need to wake up. Hear me out. People of African descent, we need to wake up. By the time we wake up from our slumber, Africa will be owned by everybody else, by people that look like us. And we will no longer have any hope. There will be no hope, because the only way that we are going to eradicate this disrespect is if the continent of Africa is okay. That is the only way we are going to eradicate this disrespect. The day that we wake up and we go, if it's corporations that are run by people that don't look like us, this disrespect is never going to end. So we need to wake up. People of African descent, we need to wake up. The Chinese, the Indians, the Europeans are in Africa creating generational wealth. Do you know that you can go to, for instance, you can go to South Africa and your landlord will be Indian? Yep, there's nothing wrong with that. They've seen the opportunity and they've gone. Except for people that this is rightfully ours. This land and this soil is rightfully ours. What are we doing speculating whether we are Black or not, whether we are African or not, fighting over tribal wars and all kinds of divisions? We need to wake up and rise up from this slumber. There's beach fronts that need to be developed. Do you know that in Ghana we have the one of the largest man-made lakes in the world? It's beautiful, right, with a jungle, and it's just beautiful land, piece of land. And one day I went to my husband's hometown and there was this piece of land that it was like an island. And I was like, oh my God, this will do great with a golf course and a retreat. Yes, I'm talking to my brothers and sisters in the Americas. Americas, because we have the dollar and we spend the most money on goods that are made by people that don't look like us. And we've enriched everybody else but ourselves. This self-hate, we need to, I hate to be this passionate, but this self-hate, we need to wake up. We need to start thinking economically. We need to go claim what is ours. By the year 2050, this was written in the New York Times, 1 in every 4 people will be Black. And the youth in Africa is vibrant and the world is scared of it because it's a continent with the youngest people. So we need to have a game plan. For this 25, 30 years, we need to have a game plan that what is this going to look like? I don't have the money, I don't have the power, but I have a voice. So I can put on my camera and talk about it. And hopefully this video will get into the right hands.
Dr. Fraser is the founder of FraserNet, author of Success Runs in Our Race, an icon of Black economic development. For over 4 decades, he's dedicated his life to building a global network of successful Black professionals and entrepreneurs. His motto is simple but bold: connect the dots so we can see the picture. According to Dr. Fraser, the Black community in America faces a crisis, not of talent, not of potential, but of power, economic power, institutional power, ownership. He often says we are not poor because we lack money, we are poor because we lack systems, networks, and ownership. Dr. Fraser believes black people must be powerful in America because power protects, power builds, power influences law, culture, and opportunity. Without power, you are subject to the will of those who have it. And history has proven time and time again that this led to exploitation. Power is not just about politics, it is about owning media, controlling capital, educating your own children, and creating generational wealth. So, how do we get there? Dr. Fraser outlined clear steps: group economics, support black-owned businesses, recycle wealth within the community, education with purpose, teach black history, finance literacy and entrepreneurship, networking, build strong alliances across industries and generations, institution building, create and support black banks, schools, and media outlets, legacy thinking, build not just for now, but for your children's children. To Dr. Fraser, power is not just material, it is spiritual and cultural. It reminds us that African people are the mothers and fathers of civilization, that we come from greatness, that reclaiming power is not about domination, it is about restoration, it is about justice. This is more than inspiration, it is a call to action. Dr. George Fraser challenges each of us to stop waiting for help and start building together. The time is now to turn pain into power, division into unity, and potential into progress. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comment box below. Until next time, cheers and have a good one.